Welcome. If you want to keep your Messenger calls private and secure, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn on the Protect IP Address feature in Messenger, updated for 2025. This simple setting helps hide your location and personal information whenever you make or receive calls, giving you extra peace of mind. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main chat screen. Next, look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, at the top of the screen. Tap on it to open up the side menu. Now, in the upper right corner of this menu, you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon to enter your account preferences. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on Privacy and Safety to access Messenger's privacy controls. Here, you'll find several options to help protect your account and personal data. Keep scrolling down until you reach the Advanced section. Under Advanced, you'll spot an option called Protect IP Address in Calls. Tap on this option to open the feature settings. Now, all you have to do is toggle the switch to turn on Protect IP Address in Calls. When this is enabled, Messenger will route your calls through Meta's secure servers, instead of making a direct connection. This means your IP address stays hidden from the person you're calling, making it much harder for anyone to trace your location or link your calls to your online activity. And that's it. You've just taken an important step to protect your privacy on Messenger. With this feature turned on, you can make and receive calls knowing your IP address is safe and secure. If you found this guide helpful, share it with friends and family so they can protect their privacy too. Thanks for watching, and stay secure online.